Hello children, today I am going to explain about main landforms of India. Mountains, hills, plateaus and plains are four major types of landforms. Minor landforms are including buttes, canyons, valleys and basins. Tectonic plate movement under the earth can create landforms by pushing up mountains and hills. In main landforms of India, let us first know about mountains. What are mountains? A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. A mountain is generally steeper than a hill. Mountains are formed through tectonic forces or volcanism. These forces can locally raise the surface of the earth. Mountains are much bigger or higher than the land around it. They have steep slopes and high peaks. Peaks are the pointed tops of the mountain. Mountains have rocky land and thin soil. Their peaks are covered with snow, especially in winter season. Just see the image of mountain, a rocky mountain. Peak is also there. Okay, this is the image of mountain. And children, where a number of mountains join together and form a chain, it is called a mountain range. Mountain range can spread over hundreds of kilometers. It is very vast in area. Mountains are very big and they spread in vast area. Next landform is hill. And what is hill? A hill is a naturally raised area of land, not as high or craggy as a mountain. Hills are lower than mountains but are higher than their surrounding areas. They have gentle slopes and rounded tops. Hills are usually covered with trees and grass. They are not barren like mountains. Just have a look on the image of hill, completely covered with green grass. This is the image of hill. Hills look like this only. Our main next landform is plateau. What is plateau? In physical geography, a plateau, also called a high plain or a tableland. Plateaus are high lands which are flat at top and have sides. They look like a table and are also called tablelands. Let me show you how plateaus looks like. See, it is looking like a table. Okay, this tableland is known as plateau. Next landform is plains. What is plain? A plain is a flat, sweeping landmass that generally does not change much in elevation. Plains occur as lowlands along valleys or on the doorstep of mountains, as coastal plains and as plateaus or uplands. Plains are large areas of flat level land. Plains that have rivers flowing through them are very good for growing crops. See, you all have seen the fields where farmers used to grow crops. Okay, so this is the plain area. Next main landform is desert. What is desert? Deserts are often defined as areas that receive less than 10 inches of average annual rainfall, but a more accurate defining factor is aridity. In addition to low rainfall, deserts are characterized by a high rate of water loss from the ground and through plants. Deserts are large, dry areas of land which receive little or no rainfall throughout the year. There are hot deserts and cold deserts in different parts of the world. Hot deserts are covered with sand, while the cold deserts have vast stretches of ice and snow. Now let me show you the picture of it. See, this is what I was talking about. Desert, this is sand. Okay, it is all over covered by sand only. Yes, this picture is of cold desert, everywhere covered with snow. Completely covered with snow. It is a cold desert. So next, let us learn about coastal plain. What is coastal plain? It's a low-lying land adjacent to a seacoast. Some of the largest coastal plains are in Alaska and the southern East United States. The coastal plains of India lie on either side of the Peninsula Plateau along the western and eastern coast of India. It is a flat, leveled form of land along a sea or an ocean. This is the image of coastal plain. It is adjacent to a sea or an ocean. After learning of coastal plains, let us learn about island. What is island? Islands are areas of land that are not connected to a continent and are surrounded by water from all the sides. Okay, let me show you the picture of island. Here is the image of island. Just have a look. Surrounded all the side with water only. So children, I hope main landform of India is clear to you. So whenever you visit any tourist place, just try to identify which type of land form is there. Okay, and share it with me. Thank you.